Welcome back to Glitz Live videos. Hello everyone, this is Nancy. Welcome back to Glitz Live, and I'm so excited. I got the box and I had so many of requests and asking for to see what possibilities come in with the April subscriptions box, and it is a subscription treasure box. I'm so excited with this. You can able to access in so many different products, like it's like 10 items or more on your box. So with all beginner nail tech or nail lovers, or for even pros, if you all love the nail art and I want to have so many different ideas in the month so that you can create it's like unlimited designs for your clients as well as for your nails or your press-on business, this is gonna be a perfect box for you, and you'll get so many of the products without breaking your bank. So let's unboxing it, and I'm excited. I kind of anxious and ask all the time when we receive a new box. So let's see what I got in my box, and a full pack with all of really great goodies every month. So every month I have the unboxing, so I'm excited to see what is coming in this box. And it's also is leased on the official website, so you can check out a lot of details about that. Just read them off. Sometimes I'm using the papers for taking us pictures, but if you don't want to, you can just recycle and dispose it. And as always usual, so always sending the 10% off for the next purchase to especially to is show our appreciation, so you can able to get instant 10% off on majority of the products. And you can just simply scan it to the website and it link it to your whatever products and category you would like. And then in April 2025 monthly box, even though you are in March, so today is the 13th, so the second days after the April box is released, and we're always doing it 2.5 weeks so in advance, so then that way you have the products and so many of the products, and the box will be arrived timely manner, so then that way you have the products gonna be ready for you to working on the next event or next is holiday. So, and this is just so cool. It has is April 2025 exclusive, so you have your condensed glue gels, your iHold gel palettes, a 2-in-1 acrylic powders exclusive for this box. 2 items already paid for your box. The rest of them are absolutely is insane, stunning, and then value. And you are automatically entered to win every month raffle. And for this month raffle, it's going to be a summer blast set of 6 acrylic powder, and the winner will be announced on April 15th. Let me see, it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and 14. So when I'm moving on, I have some of really cool posters for the nail mastery, for nail extension and crystal creations, and this is a classic exclusive for the VIP box. And you can able to check out the information how you get into this class is complimentary with your VIP box. I think anniversary box that we mentioned about, and you can able to find more information on our official website, and you can check the 7th anniversary special exclusive, so you can able to find out more information about the classes, and absolutely free. And let's get right into this and see what I am getting. So we're getting the iHold gel palettes, so either you're getting your Eastern Breeze or Study Session. So this is the box I get, is the gel palettes right here. Study palettes. That's the one I got. So let me know which one you get. I excited either one. It's gonna be beautiful. Ooh, it's gonna be perfect. I am so excited. I cannot wait to create a set with you today. And we're gonna swatch this one shortly. Put it on the side. You get the next one, 2-in-1 acrylic powders, and this is for the April box exclusive colors. 2-in-1 means that you can use it for your monomers, or you can use it with the dipping essentials, or you can use it with the beige gel. So butterfly kisses, and this is exclusive. completely seals. Don't want to spill it at all. I'm not sure you can see it. It looks so beautiful on my end, but we're definitely gonna dedicate one day to do hue swatching with this one and do some designs. I don't want to spill this one in the box, so we're gonna close this one. And then the next one, you are getting iHold condensed glue gels. I'm not gonna open it. It's sealed, so I'm gonna save this one. If you have your condensed glue gels and you're almost gone of still using it, I would not open this one. Just close it, and then keep it in cool place. So when you're ready, you can just open it. And it's really thick density. So this is gonna be a perfect for your crystal application, encapsulate your chamfer foils as well as your stickers and your loose glitter. Now it's nice to have another one, and it's good, a full size 15 grams. Each of these jars will provide you approximately about hundreds of applications easily. I'm gonna open it again. At least there's hundreds of nails, crystals, or encapsulate. And then the next one we have is handcrafted 3D charms, and I got this cute flowers, beautiful 3D acrylics, handcrafted. Somebody make it so that we don't have to work harder. So you can just apply it right on the nail. So I'm gonna leave it right here, and we're gonna definitely doing the design together. What do I have here? The gel extension coffins extra long. So it's really cool. I'm excited for this because in that way we can do it, create as an instant set. You can do it press on, it means that you can do it glue on, or you can using the omega gels or gel extension to do it semi-permanent on the nails. Will last you 4 weeks as you're wearing a gel extension, or you can do it 1 week or 2 weeks last with the nail glue air dry. So I'm gonna mark it right here. It's so many items. This one is 20 pieces in there, and then I got the coffin extra long, and then I got the study session gel palettes. I'm gonna mark it here. 2-in-1 acrylics powders, I got that one ready, and condensed glue gels. And the order number will be the number to enter your raffle ticket giveaways, and it will be announced on April 15th. Let's see what I got here. It's beautiful. It's crystal mix with all different elements, charms, chains, metal beads, and filler SS, and so many of cute. I cannot wait to do this one and then create it today with you. So the crystal mix, mark right here, and dragon scales. We got so many requests and suggestions for the dragon scales. Is absolutely here, so I'm so excited. So we're probably gonna do some in the set that I'm gonna create today. And then the pom-pom, so I'm getting the super cute, the yellow one. What do I get right here? The pom-pom right there. Exclusive crystal and charm mix. And then I got dragon scales, fine eye sheet, and I got the cute yellows colors. I'm excited for this one as well. And then what else we have? So we have the chamfer foil, and I got this strip right here, so then it's random colored flowers. I'm excited to see that, and maybe I'll do it in my nails as well. And cap glitter set butterflies, so I'm so excited with this butterfly. So let me know what butterflies you're getting in the box, because we're gonna create a lot of cute designs using these cute butterflies and all different colors. I have a hollow, shiny, in a different colors, so many of them. And butterfly set and trendy stickers, and there's trendy stickers with spring flowers and random spring flowers, and then also look in the list, and the butterflies and random colors and design. So I got this too as well. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So fine eye sheet, I got the yellow, and then the Glitz Pro nails file. So I have 100 and 100, and then 100 and 180 grit. So I'm gonna mark it right here. I'm excited. There are so many in the box already. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 items. 14 items in the box. I'm so thrilled and so excited. Let me see. Let me show it really quick so then you know what it is coming in the box. But definitely I'll try to decorate a little bit for you. Let's get to this. And then the glitter and cap. Your fine eye sheet. I'm obsessed with this one. I'm so excited. So cool though. And then condensed glue gels. And packed with the 1 ounce of your 2-in-1 acrylic powder. I'm gonna lay it here so you can see the cute colors. And then these palettes, I got the study session. You let me know what palettes you get, Eastern, Breeze, or study session. And then so many. And then foil, shampoo foils on here. And I got the extra long, so it's really cool though because it's extra long. If I don't want to be too long, I can just trim it up on the tips and wang it like between long and extra long, or even I can cut it shorter to make it coffin medium or coffin long. So here is the gel tips and then the dragon scale. So I'm excited to see what colors I'm getting. And I got magnetics pom-pom. It's funny that it's matching with the colors of the fine eye sheet. So let me know what other color pom-pom you are receiving. And this is super adorable. It's mixed, crystal mix. I can always do this one because they're so cute. And of course you have your condensed glue gels. So it's gonna be perfect. And what else do we get? There's a lot of products here. And then your 3D handcrafted flowers. I'm not sure where can I put it. Maybe here. You can find out more information either on our official website under the 7th anniversaries so that you can join with us on the classes. And certification upon completion. So when you finish this class, there was a certification for your continued education. So congratulations. I'm so excited for that classes with you. All right, so that's really nice unboxing. A nice quick is 14 items I counting with you, and then you get chance to enter to win your raffle prize, which is the Summer Blast set of 6 color powder. Here is the final looks for that one for the box. You're winning 6 color of Summer Blast on your acrylic liquid and powders. You don't have to do with the dipping or the acrylics monomer. If you would like, you can use it with your beige gels you already have. So it's adding like have a shield on the nails. So this is the colors that in Summer Blast acrylic. I'm excited for this one. I'm excited for this pack with the stuff, with all of this. Thank you.